bonsoir Rachel. So the last time we went through, the test, the DELF test. This website is driving me crazy. Seriously, it's not always working and everything. So, but anyway, that's what I'm talking about. So if you click on it, they can tell you blocked plugin. Let me see if it's gonna work on Firefox. I'll just get the link. So, but I sent you with WeTransfer a bunch of books, DELF books, those guys. You should have received the A1 level, A2, B1, B2. Audio files plus a book. So that means you can, over the week you can do a few exercises. So I'll tell you what to do. But first of all, let me see if on Firefox I can open this file. It's just downloading now. That's great. That's not what I wanted to do. So the last time we went through the A1. Okay, so you have the exercises and you can also have the audios. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about. So I'm not gonna go through that. This is how can I say, this is just to have an idea of what to do. What I would like to propose you now is not necessarily a summary of what we did, but to show you exactly what I would like to do the next time. This is an A2 level. Okay, we can do that. We're gonna do some exercises, A2 exercises and also A1 exercises. This is B1, B2, 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 and this is B1, etc., etc. So anyway, I'm gonna just delete everything, okay? Or just close everything. I'm not gonna save it because I don't need the corrections. And so we're gonna take a look at A1 and you're gonna try to guess the answers. I'm not gonna give you, I'm not gonna help you. I just want to guide you on what to do and what to expect. So let me just open A1, only A1. Okay. This one, up, and here you go. So do a bunch of exercises. It's not like what we did the last time, the complete exam. Here it's more like a bunch of, it's like a training. They say préparation. And what does that mean is, well, we start with, it's like listening comprehension. So they start very easy and after it gets a tiny bit more complex. So what they recommend you to do is to not waste too much time, but to read the different questions or different things they're asking. So for instance, we have 3 messages we're going to have to listen. Écoutez les messages, cochez le prénom correct. This part is very important because they're going to get you. They're going to tell you exactly what's going on. So listen to the messages and select the correct first name. Qui parle, who's talking. That's the same here. And so you have received the audio. So what does that mean is when I see piste 1, I know it's piste 1. Up, it's like that.
Le DELF 100% réussite. Niveau A1. Copyright, les éditions Didier 2016. Compréhension de l'oral. Se préparer. 1. Identifier un événement.
So that's here.
Activité 1. 1.
Bonjour, c'est Virginie. Tu veux aller à la piscine mercredi après-midi?
So that is a typical message. Normal person talking. And this is when you're gonna see if you understand French and you can interact, okay? This is a very structured lesson. It's gonna force you to listen. Nowadays, we are used to not really paying attention to a lot of stuff. We have access to a lot of things, but the more we have, the less we are focusing. But with this kind of course, you're gonna be able to focus a tiny bit more. You're gonna have to. You don't have any choice. So this is exercises on teaching you on how to pay attention, basically. You have no idea how common it is to not pay attention nowadays. So that's why I'm working on that with a lot of students. I'm not telling you you're not focused. I'm just saying I'm trying to work here with you. Here it's personalized. I'm working on something to help you to pay attention and also to start recognizing some informations. Okay? So when they start saying bonjour, c'est Virginie, I know Virginie is speaking, is talking here. Okay? So I'm not going to give you the rest of the answers. You're going to have to listen to this first activity. Here, activité 2, écoutez les messages, écoutez le prénom correct. That's the same, but here it's a bit different. Message numéro 1, c'est l'anniversaire de qui? It's like, literally, it's like, it is the birthday of who? It's like, whose birthday is it? So, Adrien, Armand, Amandine. Qui est en retard? Qui est en retard? Who's late? Juliette, Valérie, Isabelle. Qui joue au tennis avec Louis? Who's playing tennis with Louis? We don't say Louis, we say Louis in French. Charlie, Pierre, Fabrice. Activité 3. Écoutez les messages et cochez les bonnes réponses. Les bonnes réponses. Ok. Valentin vous appelle pour aller au musée, au cinéma, au théâtre. This exercise is not easy, so be careful. So, Valentine is calling you to go to the museum, to the movies, or to the theater. Léa vous demande d'aller au cinéma, d'acheter les billets ou de faire des courses. Léa is asking you to go to the movies, to buy the tickets, or to go shopping. Diana vous demande de faire un gâteau, d'apporter des boissons. So Diana is asking you to make a cake, to bring a cake, or to bring the beverages. This is a different style of activity. So at least this page you're going to have to do it. Message numéro 1, so écoutez les messages, the same here, et répondez aux questions. So not cocher, select the answers, is to answer the questions. Be careful, it's not easy, so be careful, pay attention. Maximum, you can only listen to twice each message, that's it. Maximum. Qu'est-ce que vous devez apporter? Qu'est-ce que Martine doit apporter? What do you have to bring? What Martine has to bring. Message numéro 2. Avec qui est-ce que vous pouvez aller au concert? With whom can you go to the concert? Avec qui est-ce que Jean-Luc va au concert? With whom Jean-Luc is going to the concert. Ok, message 3. Quel jour est-ce que vous avez rendez-vous avec Marc? I have the hiccup, sorry. Which day can you meet with Mark? Quel jour Marc a rendez-vous avec Alberto? Which day Marc can meet with Alberto? These two exercises are not easy. You're going to do the next page as well. Activité 5, écoutez les messages et cochez la bonne réponse. So, Martine a combien de frères? 2, 3, 4. How many brothers does she have? Combien de personnes viennent à la fête? How many people are going to the party? Combien de tomates est-ce que vous devez acheter? How many tomatoes do you have to buy? Activité 6, écoutez les messages et complétez les informations. So, listen to the messages and complete the informations. Ouais, complete the sentences. Combien de kilos de pommes de terre est-ce qu'Alexandre achète? How many kilos of potatoes Alexander buys? In French, we don't use dot. We use a comma. So be careful of that. Comma is virgule. Message numéro 2. Béatrice a combien de paires de chaussures? So how many pairs of shoes does she have? Et so you're gonna say that. Numéro 3. Quel est le montant de la réduction? So what, it's like, montant is like the amount of the reduction, but you're not going to say that in English. It's more like, what's the reduction? You know, the promotion, the discount, sorry, the discount. Activité 7, so we need to match. Be careful of the numbers. That creates a lot of problems. So, écoutez les conversations et relier les informations. So, listen to the conversations and match the informations. It's like link, relier is to link. So, Vincent, Audrey, Alexandra, date de naissance 30-05-1982, 01-03-1982, 28-08-1978. Ok. Activité 8, c'est la même chose. Alors, Sylvain, Robert, Carole, ça c'est les numéros de téléphone. Donc 04 83 72 11 29, 06 49 12 71 39, 03 21 96 55 41. Et l'activité 9, écoutez les messages et notez les numéros de téléphone. Believe me, this is not easy. So you need to write down the phone numbers. Et la dernière activité sont 2 pages d'exercice. Écoutez les messages et notez le ou les prénoms pour chaque activité. So you need to write down the names for each activity. The name or the names. Okay? They don't tell you exactly what's going on here. So you're gonna do, si tu vas faire la page 12 et 13, d'accord? Et tu vas essayer, d'accord? C'est quand même déjà pas mal d'exercices et je pense que ça va suffire pour cette semaine. It's already a lot of exercises and I think it will be enough for this week, okay? Well, I'll see you next Tuesday. Sorry for the delay. And please be careful, stay safe and you have a good weekend. Tu passes un très bon week-end, Rachel. À très bientôt.